and today I'm back in another video, and today I'm at a car show. And I got my mom recording. Say hi.
Hi.
And I never been to a car show before, and so excited. I'm afraid. My legs are numb.
Oh, it's only a prototype.
I know.
Look at that. Look
Wow.
at that grill.
That looks awesome.
That is sick.
Give me a picture.
Look at the seats. That's crazy.
Look at the tires.
Okay. Where'd my mom go? Oh. Whoa.
Studying for an exam.
Are those like how the seats really are?
Can you actually sit
like
in them?
It's different. It's odd.
The concept here is to show off the inside of future seats.
Okay.
So the way those bands are woven, it's designed to keep your head in the proper position, your spine in alignment, and on a long trip,
Sorry guys if this is a bit weird. Mommy, I'm gonna go over to the GTR and the Lamborghini.
Joey, check out this car with all the with
No,
the paint
but
job.
I wanna go to the
No,
GTR.
hold on. You gotta stay with
Lamborghini.
us, okay? We're gonna see everything. Don't worry.
This is my GTR video.
You wanna go sit
In the corner there, we have a sport model as well.
Look at this. Mom, look at the wheels on there. Mom, look at the wheels on there. Can I go look at the GTR now?
The Audi right here.
Where?
Yeah, right there, Joey, right there.
Oh, the r8's. Boy, look at the r8.
That's the one car that was racing when it was in Vegas.
Got the GTR over there. Mama. Can I go over to the GTR now?
Yeah.
That's slick.
Let's go. This is really cool, guys. Boy, look at that GTR. Come on.
oh yeah, there's less people over there.
There's r8. I don't care about the people. You got the Porsches over there, Mom. Wait, Corvette. Why? I want to look at the front of these cars.
Wanna take some pictures of you in the car? On my phone? Here, Joey.
Not yet. Okay, so this is basically this row, and I'll make another cutscene of this. So right now I'm gonna take a few pictures of these cars. See you guys later, and I'll see you in the next video.